Most people fail on Amazon KDP because they guess. They upload a book, hope for the best, and then wonder why no one buys it. The truth? It's not your cover. It's not your description. It's your keywords. Here's the kicker. You can have the most beautiful notebook or the smartest how-to guide, but if you're using the wrong keywords, no one's ever going to find it. That's like opening a store in the middle of the desert and waiting for traffic. No visibility means no sales. But what if you could reverse engineer what buyers are actually searching for? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find KDP keywords that actually sell. Not just ones with high search volume, but ones with low competition, buyer intent, and a real shot at bringing in income. We'll break down the tools, the steps, and I'll even walk you through a live example. Whether you're brand new or you've been stuck with no sales, this guide will change how you publish on KDP. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll be able to spot profitable keywords in just a few minutes. Subscribe to The Silent Publisher for more content like this. Keywords are the bridge between your book and your buyer. On Amazon, people don't browse the way they do on Instagram or TikTok. They search. And every search starts with a keyword. If you pick the right ones, your book appears right where people are looking. Pick the wrong ones, you're invisible. Amazon is basically a search engine that happens to sell books. And like any search engine, it ranks results based on relevance, performance, and keywords. That's why choosing the right keywords is like unlocking free traffic. Let's break it down. When someone types funny cat notebook or budget planner for moms, Amazon instantly scans its database to match books with those exact or closely related terms. If your listing doesn't include those words, or worse, includes something nobody's searching for, your book won't be shown. This means that keyword research isn't optional. It's the foundation of your publishing strategy. It decides if you'll get seen, clicked on, or buried on page 7. In short, great keywords equals visibility, equals clicks, equals sales. Miss this step, and you're building your KDP business on shaky ground. Let's now look at the tools that'll help you find the best keywords. Let's talk tools, because doing keyword research without them is like trying to cook without utensils. You can try, but it's messy and ineffective. First, the free tools. Start with the Amazon search bar. Type in a word like planner and look at the autocomplete suggestions. These aren't random. They're based on what real shoppers are searching for. That means every phrase you see is data gold. Next is the Amazon Bestsellers Rank, BSR. Click on books that use your keyword and check their BSR. A lower BSR means better sales. This helps you gauge if that keyword is tied to actual buying activity. Now, onto paid tools. Publisher Rocket is one of the most popular. It shows estimated monthly searches, competition scores, and how many books are targeting that keyword. You'll instantly know if a keyword is too crowded or a hidden gem. KDP is another good option. It works as a browser plugin and lets you scan entire niches, track trends, and analyze top-performing books fast. So which should you use? If you're just getting started, use the Amazon search bar and BSR method. It's 100% free and surprisingly effective. But if you're ready to level up and save time, Publisher Rocket is worth the investment. One good keyword can pay for the tool in a single sale. Coming up next, how to actually tell if a keyword is worth using, step by step. Now that you've got a list of potential keywords, how do you know which ones actually sell? This is where most beginners make the mistake of stopping too early. They pick a keyword just because it sounds good. Let's go through a simple validation process. Step 1. Check Amazon autocomplete and suggestions. Start typing your keyword in Amazon search bar. Does it autofill? That's your first green flag. If Amazon suggests it, people are actively searching for it. Look at the full list of suggestions. They're not random. They reflect real, high-volume searches. Step 2. Analyze the competition. Now hit enter and check the first page results. Are there a ton of sponsored listings and big-name publishers? That's a red flag. If all the books look super polished with thousands of reviews, the niche might be too competitive. On the flip side, if you see homemade-looking covers, books with under 100 reviews, and inconsistent BSRS, that's opportunity. Step 3. Use the BSR to judge demand. Open the top 3 to 5 listings and check their bestsellers rank. If their BSR is under 300,000, that usually means they're making at least a few sales a day. Lower BSRS equals more demand. If multiple books with your keyword have low BSRS, you found a keyword with real buyer interest. Step 4. Evaluate keyword relevance. Does your book actually match the keyword? Don't just stuff a keyword because it's popular. Your title, cover, and content need to be aligned. Otherwise, even if people find your book, they won't click. Or worse, they'll click and bounce. Step 5. Check for seasonal or trend-driven keywords. Is the keyword evergreen or tied to a specific season like Christmas planner or 2025 calendar? Seasonal keywords can work well, but you need to time your publishing schedule around them. Follow this 5-step process, and you'll eliminate 90% of bad keywords instantly and focus only on ones that have potential to sell. Let's walk through a real-time example so you can see exactly how all of this comes together. Let's say we want to publish a gratitude journal for kids. That's a popular niche, but is it still profitable? Let's test it. Step 1. Start with the Amazon search bar. Type in gratitude journal for and see what pops up. You'll probably get suggestions like gratitude journal for kids, for teens, for women. That tells us people are searching for this keyword in different segments. That's good. Step 2. Check competition. Search gratitude journal for kids and analyze the first page. You'll see a mix, some well-designed books, but also many with basic covers and under 100 reviews. That's a sign this niche isn't fully saturated yet. Step 3. Evaluate BSR. Click into the top few listings. If 2 or more have BSRS under 150,000, especially if they're not from big publishers, that confirms buyer demand. Let's say we find one with a BSR of 75,000 and another at 120,000. That's a green light. Step 4. Is your book a match? If you can create a unique twist on this, maybe add prompts, coloring pages, or a theme like animals or superheroes, you'll stand out while staying relevant. Step 5. Bonus. Niche down. Try Gratitude Journal for boys age 6 to 8, or Christian Gratitude Journal for kids. The more specific you get, the better your chance of ranking on page 1 with low competition. This process works with any idea, and once you do it a few times, it becomes second nature. You now know that keyword research isn't some optional side task. It's the core of making real sales on KDP. We talked about why keywords matter, the tools you can use, and exactly how to validate whether a keyword is worth targeting. You even saw a real-world example so you can apply this yourself. The biggest mistake beginners make is guessing. You're smarter than that now. With this knowledge, you can publish books that are actually seen and actually bought. So, here's your next step. Go to Amazon right now, type in an idea, and start practicing the 5-step process. It doesn't cost a cent, and it's the most valuable skill you can build as a self-publisher. And if this video helped you, hit that like button. It tells YouTube to show this to more people. If you want more no-fluff KDP strategies that actually work, subscribe and turn on notifications. We break it all down step by step, so you can stop guessing and start selling. Thanks for watching. Now go find that next winning keyword.